Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and what I have in my hand here are some official cases for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and the regular Samsung Galaxy S10. Now, these are by a company called ArmadilloTech, and they make very sturdy, hard, rugged cases for your device so you can protect them in any way possible. And if you find yourself interested in these cases by the end of the video, I will throw the link down in the description below. But I wanted to make this video doing an early look at these cases because obviously the S10 and S10 Plus are not out yet. So this is just an early look to kind of see what the device is pretty much going to feel like in the hands, the size. We can compare the size difference between the regular S10 and the S10 Plus. I put both cases side by side. Now you can see that the S10 Plus is obviously taller and it also looks a little bit wider. But when you look at the size of the camera cutout, they pretty much look like they are the same size. So this kind of tells us that 3 cameras will be coming on both devices, just like Leaker Ice Universe has mentioned on Twitter before. Now these cases also confirm that the devices will be coming with the headphone jack. You can see the charging port, the speaker, the microphone on the bottom, and then the microphone at the top. You can also notice the volume rockers at the left and that Bixby button, of course, and then the power button at the right. Now, the size of the S10 Plus actually feels normal for me. It feels pretty comfortable because I'm so used to using my Note 9 and holding that in hand. So this feels pretty much about the same size. Although I did try putting my Note 9 in this, and the Note 9 is just a little bit more boxy, so it did not fit in this. But I did try putting the Galaxy S9, the regular one, the smaller one, in the Galaxy S10 case, and it did fit in there, but it was actually smaller. So this tells us that the Galaxy S10 is going to be a little bit bigger than the regular Galaxy S9. Now, as far as the cases go, these black ones right here actually feel the more sturdier out of the 4. These ones have more of a flexible feel to them, although they do feel like they will protect your device if you happen to drop it. But yes, they have more of a flexible feel to them, more comfortable feel. And then these are just a little bit more harder and rugged for those situations where maybe you're out hiking, or maybe you work a construction job, or maybe you're just someone who drops their phone all the time and you need something that's really going to protect your device. This would be one to go with right here because it is so hard, so sturdy, and if you drop this, your device is going to be protected. Now these do have a pretty good lip on the top and the bottom, so I'm sure if you put the phone face down, the screen should not touch. These ones as well have a nice lip at the top and the bottom as well. They overall seem like very good cases. Like I said, they are made by a company called ArmadilloTech, and like I said, if you find yourself interested, the link will be down in the description below. But I wanted to share this with you guys. You guys let me know what you think so far. Like I said, this is an early look. I cannot wait until the S10 and S10 Plus are unveiled on February 20th at the Unpacked event. And it is also said that the Samsung Galaxy foldable phone is also going to be revealed that same day. So that right there is also going to be a huge treat. I am really hoping I can make it. Maybe you guys can help me out to get an invite to go. Just go to Twitter, tweet at Samsung saying, hey, you guys need to send Josh Quinones out to Samsung Unpacked event so he can cover it on his YouTube channel. That way I can bring you guys the best content possible around that time with those devices. I will throw my Twitter right here up somewhere so you guys can go tweet at Samsung for me. I would really appreciate that. But yes, like I said, early look at the cases. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comment sections below, and also let me know what are you most excited for with these devices, the S10, S10 Plus, there's even the 5G variant, or are you more excited about the foldable phone? Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you leave a huge thumbs up on it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. You guys, thank you so much. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.